Hello everybody. Thank you for visiting the Toxandria Homestead channel. I have some really exciting news to share with you today, as this is the day we are finally going to set up our seeding calendar for all of these seeds you see here. Now, as you know, this year I am going to go about it in a little different fashion, as I am putting in an attempt to follow the biodynamic gardening method as well as the Korean natural farming method next to each other as an experiment to see which one of these gardening methods is best suited for my garden and my lifestyle, the latter often being neglected by a lot of gardeners. But hey, life is life and we're all busy, so gardening should fit into our lives and remain creative, enjoyable and satisfying at all times. It should never slip into one of those one more thing to do on our already packed to-do lists. I am of the opinion that we owe it to ourselves to keep a watchful eye on this at all times. But back to my exciting news, and I am not going to keep you in suspense any longer. The winter edition of the Garden Magic Planner has finally arrived, and today I am going to unpack the book together with you so we both can see what the final result looks like. Blood, sweat and tears went into the creation of this, and I'll tell you, a lot of swear words passed by before I finally managed to get it exactly the way I wanted it. But hey, all that is forgotten now, as look at this. Wow, I'm amazed myself. It's big, but not too big. It already looks like an old grimoire, and I haven't gotten creative with it yet. As you can notice, the top space is allocated for defining the root, leaf, flower and fruit hours. And beneath that table the phases of the moon are displayed, and under that the mansions of the moon. Now, for easy reference, I have included each of the 28 mansions of the moon as a bonus in this winter edition of the Garden Magic Planner, so it will be easy for you to look up any specific mansion of the moon as you are working in your planner. And next, the all-important planetary day is mentioned, including the symbol for each planet. So if you are new to this gives you a chance to easily and without any extra effort on your part to get acquainted with these symbols that are used to represent each of the planets. Further, there is room to record when the sun is coming up and going down each day, an important time frame which comes into play when we will be calculating the planetary hours of the day. For easy reference, I have already put the correct order of the planets into place in the two columns, one for each part of the day. So 12 planetary hours for the day on the left of the page and 12 planetary hours for the night on the right hand page. And last but not least, a full blank page for each day to scribble down anything you want, from observations you have made, seeds you have planted, things you have harvested. You can use it for journaling, crafting, scrapbooking, jotting down recipes, you name it. The page is blank, so you can let your creativity go anywhere you want. So now the question on everybody's mind probably is, all good and well, but how do we use this Garden Magic Planner to achieve some kind of magic into our own garden? Well, that's an easy one, because I am going to go over this Garden Magic Planner step by step in the next couple of videos. So be sure to subscribe and click on that bell icon so you won't miss a thing. I will treat every section of the Garden Magic Planner in a different short video. I think that format will make it easy on you whenever you might have to come back to look up some specific item that you might have forgotten about. And after I have uploaded my Garden Magic tutorial, I will dive into all of these seeds together with you as real life examples on how to get the most out of the Garden Magic Planner. So, if you haven't ordered it by now, make sure you hesitate no longer. The Garden Magic Planners are not only available on Amazon, but also at your favorite local bookstore. So, if you want to support your own local brick and mortar bookstore, just call them or drop them a line and ask for the Garden Magic Planner by Toxandria. Make sure you order it, and I will meet you again in my next video. Take care.